Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing API access because that gives you programmatic control. First, verify your Facebook Business Manager and select either a business service provider or self-hosted API. Choose hosted if you want less ops work. Once done, reserve a phone number and prepare your display name plus message templates for template approval. These are required for outbound messaging. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication and confirm payment details so your API setup isn't blocked later. Now you connect your chatbot logic. Deploy a secure server and expose an HTTPS webhook endpoint. WhatsApp requires SSL and verified tokens to accept callbacks. Next, configure incoming message routing. Parse payloads, handle text, media, and message statuses, then forward content to your NLP engine. Integrate your chosen platform, Dialogflow, Rasa, or a custom model, so the bot maps intents to responses. Finally, implement session state and fallback handling. That prevents loops and preserves context for multi-step conversations. Finish by testing and deploying cautiously. You should run end-to-end tests using sandbox or staging numbers, validate that templates are approved, and confirm media displays correctly. Then roll out gradually to real users. Start small and monitor delivery rates, latency, error codes, and user feedback. If things go wrong, check webhook logs first, then SSL and token validity, and finally template or policy rejections from WhatsApp. Correcting those usually fixes common failures. Keep monitoring and iterate on conversation design after launch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.